Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities mainly for mechanical graduates. Even other department people can also make use of this video. So departments like electrical department, electronics department, civil department, aeronautical department, E&I and ICI department. So even IT and CIC people can also make use of this video, because in this video they specifically mention mechanical and also other branches can also apply. So other branches, so those who are having BE Tech means you can apply for it. So let us go into the video. Today we are going to see many job opportunities, so kindly don't skip this video and watch it fully and make the best use of it. Today we are going to see government job, private job, apprenticeship training. So totally 5 government job and 5 private jobs and 1 apprenticeship training. So let us start with government jobs. The first one is Assistant Manager, Industrial Development Officer at Indian Bank. Indian Bank is a major nationalized bank. It is under the ownership of the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Indian Bank was established in 1907 and its headquarters in Chennai. It serves over 100 million customers with 39,734 employees and 5,744 branches. Indian Bank now is the 7th largest bank in the country. So qualification is BE Tech in Mechanical Engineering, and even other branches can also apply. Number of posts is 150. So post code and name is 19, Assistant Manager, Industrial Development Officer. So you'll be getting a pay scale and basic pay of 36,600 to 63,840 plus DA and HRA. And application fee is 850 for general and 175 for SC, SC and PWD candidates. So age limit is 20 to 30 as on 1st January 2023. So selection will be mainly they will be conducting written tests and personal interview, and after shortlisting basic qualification experience on regarding it, merit list will be made. So interested candidates can see the detailed notification in the description and apply for it, and interested candidates kindly register and fill the application using the website on or before 14th June 2022. The next job is Technical Graduate Officer at Indian Army. Applications are invited from eligible unmarried male engineering graduates for 136 technical graduate course commencing in January 2023 at Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, for permanent commission in Indian Army. Selected candidates will be posted as a sub-lieutenant. Final year students 2023 batch are also eligible to apply, but they should be able to submit the proof of passing engineering degree along with the mark sheet and 7th all semesters before on or before 1st Jan 2022. So link will be provided in the description. So who can apply is those who are having BE Tech in mechanical and other branches with minimum 60% of mark. Pay allowances like 56,100 to 1,77,000 you'll be getting, which is a 10th pay scale, and also you'll be getting other allowances. Application fee is nil. So your age should be between 20 to 27 as on 1st January 2023. Selected candidates will be having a detailed for 49 weeks training at Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and after successful completion, they will be given the granted permanent commission in Army in the rank of Lieutenant. So selection procedure is shortlisting application will be based on the preferences of mark obtained by the candidates in qualifying degree, and shortlisted candidates will be intimating through mail and SMS. Selection will be mainly based on eligible candidates will be interviewed at one of the selection center via Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore and Kapthorala, Punjab by psychologists and group testing officer and other interviewing officer. Candidate will be put through 2-stage selection process. Those 2 stage or stage 1 will go to stage 2. So medical is, that is SSB recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable, and interested candidates can use the PDF available in the description, and kindly fill the application on or before 9th June 2022 before 3 p.m. So remaining job posting I have just mentioned the date, so try to apply on or before. Next is private job. So in private job, the first one is trainee industrial engineer at EXCIDE, Pune and Mumbai. EXCIDE was originally a brand name for batteries produced by the electric storage battery company, and doing business which is American multinational company. It manufactures automotive batteries and industrial batteries. So India's oldest and number one storage battery means it's EXCIDE. So they have 9 factories which are strategically located across India. Freshers can apply for this job. If you're having 0 to 1 year experience means you can apply. So responsibilities is industrial engineer, time and motion study, manpower budgeting, cycle time implementation, elimination of wastages. So role will be a trainee industrial engineer. Type is battery manufacturing company. It's a full-time job. Interested candidates can apply through the website and link given in the description. The next is graduate engineering trainee at Wipro. Job location is in Pune. So Wipro, you know very well, it's a multinational company providing industrial automation since 2018. It is acquired Precision Automation and Robotics India Private Limited in 2021 to become Wipro PARI. The organization is among the largest global automation company with a strength of 1200 plus employees. For more details, you can use the link and apply for it. So freshers can apply. If you are having 0 experience also, you can apply. You will be getting a salary of 2 to 3 lakh per annum, and they are looking for passionate and energetic engineer to be part of the world leading company. So you need to have bachelor degree in mechanical or electrical E or TC, that is telecommunication or electronics domain. So you should have strong knowledge in all technical concept like design, project, etc. You need to have adequate knowledge of engineering tools. You should have good communication and presentation skill. You must be ready to travel to any part of India or abroad, and candidate who have crossed secured 65% or more means you can apply. So role will be design engineer, industrial automation, and interested candidates can apply through the notification and link given below. The next is graduate engineer trainee at Heritage Foods Hyderabad. So it is one of the largest private sector dairy enterprises in South India, and it has been founded in 1999 with 3 business divisions like dairy, retail and agri under the flagship of the company. So Heritage Milk, you all know very well, it's coming from various states like Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi, Rajasthan and Punjab. So freshers or freshers, or if you're having 0 experience, no problem, you can apply. Salary they haven't disclosed, and you are responsible to ensure all preventive maintenance operation of the plant and machinery and equipment, and you must be responsible for general mechanical, instrumentation and electrical maintenance or breakdown maintenance and lubrication of machinery and equipments. You You must be responsible for periodical preventive maintenance schedule at all machinery and equipment and maintain the record from time to time. You will be responsible to cover the plant and machinery under AMC as well as under MBD policy. So your role will be in operation, maintenance and support. So functional area will be manufacturing and engineering. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and apply through online using the link given here. The next one is Assistant UAS System Engineer at F Drones, Bengaluru. So it's the company will be developing and operating proprietary aerial delivery drones, which is ultimately deliver 100 kg load over 100 km to ships and offshore platform. So so drone is the first company in the world to provide 24 hours commercial beyond the visual line. For more detail, use the website and apply. So experience is freshers or 0 experience person can apply. Salary they haven't disclosed. In this role, you are responsible for assembly, integration and ground test, and the role also involving sourcing and testing of various components. You will be participating in defining and validating the standard operating procedure. So you need to have B or B Tech in mechanical, aerospace or other relevant program. You need to have the ability to work hands-on with the electromechanical system. You need to have basic knowledge of electrical test equipment like multimeter, oscilloscope and sensor. You need to have excellent mechanical assembly skills and strong knowledge of basic assembly tool. You need to develop strong analytical problem solving skills and engineering analysis. You need to have experience in technical documentation, and you need to have good verbal and written communication skills. And role will be the assistant system engineer aviation. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and apply through online using the link given below. So next is graduate engineer trainee at Sonalika Group, Punjab. Sonalika Group is an Indian multinational company mainly working for automobile sector. International Tractors Limited is the major company involving in the exporting and farm equipment and accessories. So they manufacture and they have been established in 2004 with the capacity to manufacture of 2000 vehicles in a month. The company has two brands, Sonalika and Solis. They produce and tractors from 20 HP to 120 HP range. Freshers can apply. If you are having 0 year experience, also can apply. And salary is 2 lakh per annum. BTech fresher and batch 2022. Location is Punjab near HOSHIARPUR. Role will be graduate trainee engineer and automotive sector. Interested candidates can apply through the link given below, and also you can send your resume to the as early as possible. The next is apprenticeship training. So today we are going to see only one apprenticeship training, that is graduate apprentice training at Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Indian Oil Corporation Limited is an Indian government owned oil and gas explorer and producer. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So BTech in mechanical engineering with minimum 65% of mark. Applicants may be appeared from and qualifying gate 2022. So application fee will be 150 for general and no fee for SC/ST candidates. So age limit will be 26 years as on 30th June 2022. Graduate apprentice training are offered lump sum monthly stipend on the basis of the satisfactory performance during the period, and they may be absorbed in IOCL. Shortlisting of eligible candidates shall be done category wise in descending order of their mark obtained in GATE 2022. Initially, only those candidates shall be considered for shortlisting for GD, GT, and PI who meet all eligibility criteria as mentioned in the advertisement. Detailed notification and syllabus for examination are seen here, and you can download it. An interested candidate with qualification may apply online through the website on or before 15 June 2022. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to your job seekers. They will be making the best use of it. So kindly support our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Have a great day.